Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This car is an actual pace car, official pace car. It has 5,000 actual miles on this car right here. 5,000 actual miles. It's in mint condition, and it is absolutely brand new, gorgeous. It's black with that silver with the red stripe on it. It's got that silver interior, tilt wheel. It's got all the options you want on it. Numbers matching with factory air, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Now we're going to take a look at this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. Official pace car. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the T-tops and really looks good. All the paint and body work on this car is in excellent condition. Like I said, it's been very well taken care of with only 5,000 actual miles. Tires look good on it. It's got the correct wheels. Really beautiful car. And it don't get much nicer than this car. Absolutely a collector car. Car you can put up. That's just going to continuously grow in value. Really looks good. No cracking of the dash. Really nice. Power windows, power door locks. Back seat all looks good. It's got the T-top covers. I do have the T-tops, and I can get you a picture of those or a video if you'd like to see them. So, I'm going to shut the door here, go on around to the back, and Dad's going to start it up for me. Has a good sound to it, just all stock. All the lights work great. It's really a nice car. Put it off here. We'll take a look at the driver's side of the interior. It does have the telescopic wheel, does have the tilt wheel. There's the mileage on it. You can take a picture of that and pause it. 5,000 original miles. Does have the window sticker with it as well, but just really nice. There's the trim tag. You can pause it, take a picture of that. But it really looks good. Very nice and clean. Like I said, it's an excellent car. Shut the door. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the Numbers Matching 350. Power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning on this car right here. 25th anniversary car. Really looks good underneath the hood. Very nice and clean. This is probably one of the best ones that you're ever going to find. I'm going to have Dad help me shut the hood here. Kind of hard to do holding the camera. So I'll show you the hood shuts good. There you go. Gotta be easy with them. You don't want to hurt them. But we're going to take one more quick look at the 1978 Chevrolet Corvette official pace car. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. Official pace car right here with 5,000 actual miles. Should have focused there. I don't know. Camera's being wonky today, but we're going to take it for a drive. It's absolutely a beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this Corvette out, see how it does. One of the nicest cars you'll ever find. Practically brand new, still smells new on the inside. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. All right, here we go. track player in it as well. So, pretty cool.
Air does work.
And the factory air does work. The car really runs and drives phenomenally. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car. Car you can get in and go anywhere you want to go, and it'll take you wherever you want to go.
Might take us home tonight.
Yeah.
Talk about winning trophies.
Yeah, this car here is a car that you could win a lot of trophies with. But we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this car's made of. There it goes, now it's focusing. So sometimes this camera has a mind of its own, but as these cars pass, we'll be ready to go. Here we go. Car's got good power. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car. Car just really does good. We're almost back here, and like we do every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video right now.